In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create workflow in ERPNext. By the end of this walkthrough, you will know how to set up a basic workflow so that your documents move through a clear, consistent approval process inside your system. First, make sure you're logged into your ERPNext account and you're on the home page. From here, we'll start by using the global search bar. This is usually located at the top of the screen. The search bar is the fastest way to jump straight to the tools you need instead of clicking through different modules. Click into the search bar and start typing the word workflow. As you type, ERPNext will automatically suggest related options below. Look for the option labeled workflow in the search results. This is the area where all your document workflows are listed and managed. Go ahead and click on workflow. This will take you to the workflow list view. Here you can see any existing workflows that might already be set up in your system. To create a new one, look for the New Workflow button, usually at the top right of the page. Click on New Workflow to open a blank workflow form. Now we're going to fill in the details for your new workflow. Start by giving your workflow a clear and descriptive name, something that tells users exactly what it's for, such as Sales Order Approval or Purchase Invoice Review. Next, choose the document type this workflow will apply to. This is important because it tells ERPNext which kind of record should follow this approval path. You'll then see options to define the different states and transitions. A state is simply a status, like draft, pending approval, or approved. A transition is what moves a document from one state to another, such as submit for approval or approve document. Take a moment to think about the real-life process in your organization and mirror that sequence here. For each transition, you can specify which user roles are allowed to perform that action, helping you control who can approve or reject documents. Double-check your settings to make sure the workflow name, document type, states, and transitions are all correct. When you're happy with the setup, click on the Save button. ERPNext will save your new workflow, and it will immediately become available for the document type you selected. That's it. You've created a workflow in ERPNext that standardizes how documents move through your approval process.